Good morning, good morning. Look what I done stumbled across this morning, family. Another member of the police department knocked off in a drug bust. This time, this woman, the black woman, is a police crime tech. Got knocked off and arrested in a drug bust. Man, I'm telling you, drugs in Baltimore, man, is out of hand. And how you gonna crack down on the citizens, man, dealing drugs in the city, man? If you got corrupt ass police officers working the streets, man. It just don't make no sense, man. And me, I'm a recovering addict myself, man. And it's really not hard for me, man, to stay off drugs. I've been clean now for 10 years. But, man, the stories I've been hearing, man, it's crazy. A lot have changed, man, in 10 years since I've been clean, man. You really don't see a lot of, there's a lot of addicts in the city, but at one time, man, you would see mobs of addicts lined up, going across the street. You could always tell where the drugs was at, because you would just see a mob of people going in the same direction. Right? Going to an abandoned house somewhere, the cop, or in the alley somewhere, especially over on Pennsylvania Avenue. All you had to do is ride through there. If you was looking for drugs, all you had to do is just watch the people and see where they go. And you would know where the drugs was at. But now, you mightn't cop from any police officer on the street. I guarantee you they can tell you where the best drugs are. You know, and I always wonder why. You know, police, it's real obvious, man, when drugs is being sold, right? Especially on Pennsylvania Avenue, Pennsylvania and North Avenue, right? It's obvious what they do on that corner. But every once in a while, you see somebody getting locked up. Now, I've seen drug transactions being made right in front of the police. And they don't do a damn thing. So, we got another young lady, man, got knocked off, man, with drugs. And they talking about how her being involved in a situation like this, they might have to drop some more charges, like they did all the other corrupt ass police. Everybody that they locked up, they might have to let go. So yeah, top of the morning to you. Check this one out.
She is supposed to help solve crime, but tonight is instead charged in a major drug bust. Investigators say a Baltimore police crime tech and her boyfriend were caught with $100,000 cash, drugs, and guns. WJZ is live in City Police Headquarters. George Solis says how her case could impact countless others if she's convicted. George?
Good evening, Denise. Police tell WJZ it's always disappointing to see one of their own arrested, and while her role gave her limited access to police resources, investigators are reviewing every case she worked on to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. In cities large and small, a crime scene technician's role in helping put the bad guys away is crucial. Baltimore City is no exception. Crime techs usually responding to scenes to dust for fingerprints and take pictures. Now, one of those very people entrusted with that responsibility stands accused of being on the wrong side of the law.
We can't underscore how disappointed we are to see a member of our agency involved in something like this.
Tamika Jones and her boyfriend Clarence Jones arrested and facing felony charges after a mate.
Now they just look like two average citizens. Which they are. I mean, just because you work for the police department doesn't mean that, you know, you're not an average citizen. But good gracious, man, look at all this stuff on this table, man. Come on, let's finish it. Let's finish this.
Major bust involving drugs, guns, and more than $100,000 in cash. Police telling WJZ the investigation unfolding based on a tip that resulted in a search warrant in the 1600 block of Ashburton Street in West Baltimore. Police also stress that Jones did not have access to the department's drug lab or storage, but investigators are still being cautious. One legal expert tells WJZ a conviction could compromise cases Jones had a hand in while employed as a crime tech.
especially in cases where she was the only tech called to the scene.
Not being able to call her as a witness could jeopardize a number of prosecutions if she's the only person who can testify in that way.
As a precaution, police are reviewing all cases Jones may have worked on.
Now, police say Jones has been with the agency a little more than a year, and that she has been suspended without pay per department policy. Reporting live outside Baltimore City Police Headquarters, George Solins, WJZ Eyewitness News.
All right, George.
Damn, she just got that job. A little over a year, man. She just blew. Fuck that shot up. And she might have only got the job so she can have some inside access to some powerful drugs. Get paid. That's a damn shame though, man, because that was a career. A police crime tech. That's terrible, man. Well, peace and blessings, family. Another sad day in Baltimore City. Talk to you later.